Namaste friends. In this video, we will look at the background of Sustainable Development Goals (SDGs). With the concern for development without degrading socio-economic, environmental conditions and the realization that there is a limit to nature's sustainability, people across the world have come together to deliberate and adopt the policy of sustainable development. In the Paris Agreement of 2015, United Nations General Assembly (UNGA) adopted a resolution to transform the world in next 15 years through number of targets and goals. This had support of 193 countries. The report released was titled Transforming Our World: The 2030 Agenda for Sustainable Development. A resolution adopted by the General Assembly on 25 September 2015. This agenda is a plan of action for people, planet, and prosperity. It also seeks to strengthen universal peace in larger context. The 17 Sustainable Development Goals and 169 targets, which were announced, demonstrate the scale and ambition of this universal agenda. They seek to build on the Millennium Development Goals and complete what they did not achieve. The goals and targets will stimulate action over the next 15 years in areas of critical importance for humanity and the planet. 1.1 The base of 5P model for SDGs. There are 5 Ps, which make the basis for all these goals, with which we need to develop and improve. They are: first, people. It represents social upliftment. This will enable all human beings to fulfill their potential in dignity and equality in a healthy environment. Poverty and hunger are the biggest issues in front of mankind need to work out. These social ills need to end. Second, planet. It represents ecological elements. To protect environment from further degradation and manage natural resources in such a way that we can achieve sustainable development. Climate change is the biggest hurdle in front of us. Third, prosperity. This will take care of economic progress in harmony with nature. Every human being should be able to enjoy prosperous and fulfilling life. Fourth, peace. Sustainable development is not possible without efforts for peace. We need peaceful, just and inclusive societies. Fifth, partnership. How to achieve all above things? We need to revitalize global partnerships through the participation of all countries, all stakeholders, and all people. In order to achieve a world based on the principle of 5P, we need to understand and appreciate the interlinkages and the integrated nature of SDGs. 1.2 Why and what? All world nations committed themselves to work tirelessly for the full implementation of this agenda by 2030. The first and foremost, eradicating poverty in all its forms and dimensions, including extreme poverty, is the greatest global challenge and an indispensable requirement for sustainable development. In the year 2000, the Millennium Development Goals were agreed. These provided an important framework for development, and significant progress has been made in a number of areas. But the progress has been uneven, particularly in least developed countries, and some of the Millennium Development Goals remain off track, in particular, those related to maternal, newborn, and child health. 1.3 How? With 17 Sustainable Development Goals, integrated and indivisible 169 associated targets, we can track and monitor progress. The goals and targets, setting out a supremely ambitious and transformational vision, are the result of over 2 years of intensive public consultation and engagement with civil society and other stakeholders around the world, which paid particular attention to the voices of the poorest and most vulnerable. Never before have world leaders pledge common action and endeavor across such a broad and universal policy agenda. This is to be achieved with win-win cooperation, which can bring huge gains to all countries and all parts of the world. The challenges and commitments identified at these major conferences and summits are interrelated and call for integrated solutions. To address them effectively, a new approach is needed. Sustainable development recognizes that eradicating poverty in all its forms and dimensions, combating inequality within and among countries, preserving the planet, creating sustained, inclusive and sustainable economic growth, and fostering social inclusion are linked to each other and are interdependent. 1.4 Follow-up and monitoring. To support accountability towards citizens, there is a provision for systematic follow-up and review at the various levels as set out in this agenda and the Addis Ababa Action Agenda. The high-level political forum, under the auspices of the General Assembly and the Economic and Social Council, will have the central role in overseeing follow-up and review at the global level. Indicators are being developed to assist this work. Quality, accessible, timely and reliable disaggregated data will be needed to help with the measurement of progress and to ensure that no one is left behind. 1.5 Who will be involved? Sustainable development journey will involve governments as well as parliaments, the United Nations system and other international institutions, local authorities, indigenous peoples, civil society, business and the private sector, the scientific and academic community, and all people. Let us now just have a look at the 17 SDGs. 1. No poverty. 2. Zero hunger. 3. Good health and well-being. 4. Quality education. 5. Gender equality. 6. Clean water and sanitation. 7. Affordable and clean energy. 8. Decent work and economic growth. 9. Industry, innovation and infrastructure. 10. Reduced inequalities. 11. Sustainable cities and communities. 12. Responsible consumption and production. 13. Climate action. 14. Life below water. 15. Life on land. 16. Peace, justice and strong institutions. 17. Partnerships for the goals. And finally, thank you so much for your valuable time. Please like, share and subscribe and hit bell icon to get notified of our next video.